Hi, I am Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're looking at the Japan Racing JR14. So this wheel is available in diameters 15-inch all the way up to 18, and then for widths you've got two options, either 8 inches wide or 9.5 like we've got here today. As for PCDs, it comes in single drilled options, everything from 4x100 all the way up to 5x120. But again, it's another JR wheel we can custom drill and get the right PCD for your car. This wheel comes in a few colours. All of them have the black at the background, and then the top lattice is either silver, gold or bronze. So a few options there to spice up your ride. It's definitely a unique design. The 9.5 here has a slight concave face, the 8 slightly flatter. So this is an interesting looking JR wheel. It's probably harking back to like the old turbos you used to get on like E30s and Golfs and that sort of thing. So if you're after that look, then this is certainly up your alley. So this wheel in 15 inches will look great on like little MX-5 Mark 1s, or your smaller like Mark 1 Golfs, or little Polos or Mark 3 Golfs, that sort of thing. And in bigger sizes it'll look great on slammed BMWs or Audis, that sort of thing.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.